Hello, Paul again here from EMD Porsche. Today I'm going to show you what I'm doing today. I'm modifying the actual turbo vent line on this Porsche 955, which is like 2003, 2004 up to 2006 roughly. Porsche Turbo Cayenne Turbos. So modifying the actual hoses. So if you look, I'll show you what I mean. So see these hoses here? These are all crumbled, and oh, look at that, look how hard it is. Look at that. You touch it, they just break in half and crack in half. So a lot of time I've got to spend to actually modify this. So I've cut one off already yesterday. So that's all cut, chopped off already. So I'll show you where I cut it from. So I've cut it through there, so I still have a barb on the corner there. So when I want to fit a new rubber hose onto up to here, and then put a hose clamp there, and I'm gonna put the actual turbo vent line like those two there onto a new hose. And basically you can use any rubber hose, 10 mil in a diameter. You can use a fuel line hose. You can pretty much use anything as long as it's rubber like this, thick, so it can withstand the heat. All right, so this is like the inner diameter is 10 mil. You can probably use 11 a little bit better, but I like to use the 10 because 10 is tighter, so I like to squeeze it in there, and that way it's more sealed properly rather than being loose. You don't want anything loose. So that's gonna go there. So one side is done. So now I'm gonna cut this side here. Same thing right on the seam there. On the little seam there. So you still don't cut it off here because you have no barb. You need that little ridge there, so your hose clamp won't come off under boost. Sorry, under pressure. So that's what I'm doing. So this is video 1. So basically, once I finish cutting, then I'll fit those, measure the hose, and then I'll do a part 2. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.